All right, and now for the news you didn't need to know. First, look what Sparkcepts made of moon pie. For some Red Dead streams. Oh my goodness, I love it.
Yeehaw.
They are so cute. Thank you, Sparkcepts. Oh. The way they just whip them out. Crazy.
Like you whipped out your posse.
That's right. This is for our posse. It's even got the lasso. Took me a second to see it. Oh, all right. And I think we mentioned this on Friday.
Call me Sheriff Moonpie, little lady.
But Dreamlight Valley is coming out in February with a new update. I forget her name. She's in Encanto? That's the name of the movie, right? I forget her name, though. And discover the secrets of the Frosted Heights biome. So I don't know what they're going to do in there. Mirabelle! That sounds familiar. And then in April, a new realm opens.
Her name is Mirabelle.
And that's Simba, right? It looks like Simba. And then early summer, unveil the secret to the forgetting. We get to find out maybe who lives in this pumpkin house. And a princess races into the valley. I don't know all the princesses. But more to come in 2023. Multiplayer, baby! Characters, realms, clothing and motifs, decorations, and furniture. You think Cinderella is living in the pumpkin? Maybe. Maybe. Miss Anna Mouse, how's it going? And then, bam! Ever seen this game on Steam? We'd all have to save up for it. It says The Hidden and Unknown is a story-based game that aims to widen the perception of its audience in the areas of psychology and philosophy. For the low price of $1,999.90. Oh, it's only got two reviews. I wonder why. I don't think they have a payment plan, Steam. Must be the best game on the planet. It better be for that price. It's a little pricey.
How about new?
And it's text-based. It's not even like 3D, VR, sniffogram. It's a text-based visual novel. Hey, Wexy! Oh, what else?
How about new?
And Astroneer had an update. Let me turn off the chatty catty so we can look at it.
Just playing Astroneer a little bit earlier today.
Yeah. I'm behind on this announcement, but I wanted to show you guys the update trailer. Because now it has the storyline complete, right? I didn't even know there was a storyline other than, hey, you're on a planet.
Catch me if you can.
Good luck.
I started a new game today because I wanted to actually, they've got a better tutorial that actually walks you through doing a lot of stuff and you get a lot of good rewards for it.
Astroneer can be multiplayer, can it? Or co-op? Imp, to be fair, do you play most games long enough to realize there's a storyline? You cut deep, Imp. You cut deep. Look at the little terrariums.
They've had those for a while because I've gotten a few of those.
Oh, look at the little train. I like the little monorail thing.
I've got that in my old game.
Hi, Black Wolf. I forgot you can visit different planets in Astroneer.
You have to visit different planets.
Yeah, I just get so engrossed in the one I'm on. All right, and then this one scares the bejeepers out of me.
So we've got to get this one?
It's not out yet.
Everybody make a note. We got to get this one for Mima.
Experience the fun for yourself in the multiplayer horror game, Carnival Hunt. Follow the pre-launch Kickstarter page below.
Hey, Deb.
Hey, guys! This looks absolutely terrifying.
Y'all float down here.
Yeah, that's... Look, it's just two little mechanical paws. Because we're bunnies! Oh, this can't be good. This can't be good. Yeah, see? Oh. No, no. Wolf, this is a bad trip, man. This is terrifying. Yeah, it like incorporates creepy dolls, horror bunnies. It's just all to know. Yeah, play dead. Lay down. Don't breathe.
Well, you're a wooden toy, so I don't think you would breathe.
Oh, don't pick us up! Ah! That's enough of that one. Even the trailer is scary. Oh, if you ever wanted to pay Mima back for sending us down the rabbit hole, here it is. Me no likey. Oh. All right, what else? What else we got? Oh, here we go. Cool off this year with limited edition frosted lemon Cheerios. I'm gonna pass on these. I don't want.
I might like that.
Oh, let me turn you guys back on. There we go. Oh, frosted lemon. When life gives you lemons, don't make this. Wow, it's hot out. Where are my Cheerios? Oh, yeah, I didn't know. Gonna have to pass on there.
Lemon milk. Yuck.
Oh, I didn't even think about what it would do to the milk.
Sour cereal, yum.
Yeah, oh no, the thought of that makes it even worse. Blue, you could try it. Try it. Try it, Blue. Go ahead. Your favorite pie is lemon? Give it a try. Get back to us. You could be our guinea pig. Oh, and then we got the stuffiest stuffed Oreos there is. The most Oreo. Cookies and cream limited edition.
Someone get me more the Carnival game for our annual horror games.
Oh. I thought that said moist Oreo. The most moist Oreo. The stuffiest stuff that you could put in one. And again, limited edition. So you better get these quick. Get your lemon Cheerios and your Oreos. Which came first? Oreos or cookies and cream? Like, was cookies and cream like a flavor before there were Oreos? Or did somebody sit on their package of Oreos and go, ah, crap, we got to make something with this. Put it in the ice cream. Cookies and cream ice cream. I want to say the Oreos. If you eat one of these and a thin Oreo, you even yourself out. I love the thin Oreos. We got those once. I'm a big
We've
fan.
gotten it a few times.
Yeah, I am a total fan of the least stuff in my Oreos. Didn't Hydrox cookies come first? Oh, maybe.
Meemaw, guess what they've got on Amazon?
What?
Check your notes.
I won't eat these Oreos if you got them. They're all yours if you got those.
They don't sell them in like containers of cookies. They sell in like a big. It's like a cookie sandwich.
Yeah, no, thank you. Oh, and what else we got? And this is available in Thailand. Heinz mayonnaise flavored potato chips.
How about no?
Oh, Mima, on that link that I sent you, you have to show the last picture. It has the nutritional facts between double stuff and the most Oreo. There's less calories in the most Oreo.
Hold on.
It's a healthy alternative.
I gotta turn off things to go into notes.
Who in their right mind think Mayo's exotic?
Well, if you don't have mayo, normally.
It's oil and eggs. Every culture has mayo.
Okay, hold on. Nobody move. Don't panic. There we go. So the most Oreos have more stuff than the double stuff, is what you're saying.
Look in the second picture, second row.
Second picture, second row.
Yeah, you're on it.
Oh,
Right there, nutritional facts.
so the most Oreos are 110.
140 calories versus 110.
Wait,
Less
wait,
calories.
wait. You gotta look closer. You get 2 cookies of double stuff.
Yes, but 2 cookies is 29 grams. The other one cookie's 21 grams. It's not that much of a difference.
But you only get to eat 1 cookie of these. You get 2 of these. Dunk into the Oreo verse. There's an app for that. They got an app for it. Okay. And if you're not on Twitter.
So for the thin ones, we can have a box.
Exactly. You can eat the whole thing. Do you need VR? I don't know. Also, who eats just 2 Oreos?
I only eat one package. The package has got 3 rows. You eat 1 row at 1 serving. Second row is a second serving.
Well, we split the row sometimes.
If I let you have them.
The thin ones, you gotta let me have them.
Maybe.
All right. And if you're not on Twitter, or if you're on Twitter and you are not following Cult of the Lamb, you are missing out lately. The lamb has gotten very sassy. First, they tried picking a fight with Duolingo, trying to get them to fight them at the Creator Clash. I'm not sure what that is. Is that like a cage match between streamers or something? But who do you think would win? I don't know. I think the lamb would come out on top. It's a throwdown, lamb versus language owl. Oh.
2 go in, only 1 lamb comes out.
But then Angry Bird steps into the ring. From gamer to gamer, I will fight you.
One is a god and the other just kills your family when you don't do your lesson.
I'm in streak 1577 because the owl killed my parents. I want the lamb to win.
So then, the lamb came back with, bruh, this bird be angry. To which Angry Birds replied, I just want to talk. I love the way they did the beak in the mouth. Oh, but it didn't stop there. The lamb came back. Seems like all you want to do is talk.
You gotta show the rest of the pictures. There you go.
It's getting serious now. And this is where
he's talking crap.
Angry Birds came back with, careful. I was sacrificing pigs before anyone knew who you were. Lamb chops next. Oh, but wait, there was more. There was one more on this. We're missing one. There was one more. There was a quote tweet to this.
How dare they disrespect our precious lamb chop?
There it is. This was the reply to that one. This one cut deep. Tomatoes will go great with that burger. The Rotten Tomatoes review of the movie. That was a low blow.